First basket para San Juan National High School.
Bipa, check ako naka-live.
Kung naka-live. Basket is good for a TBL.
Hindi yan, sa baba.
Tara lang. Thank you.
Kunin mo na yung 4. Ready mo na.
Saglit lang. Mag-time out. Wait lang. Time out. Pag-time out. Wait lang. Basket para sa TBL. Wait lang, pag-time out. Magkano? Magkano? Hindi, ito nga. Magkano? Magkano nga ito? Tinatanong ko lang magkano ito.
First personal foul.
Thank you, Bing. Alright, shout out kay Gadimil Pascua. Gets the 3, in and out. Time remaining 7 minutes and 33 seconds. There's a foul.
Foul, jersey number 7.
Short. Out of bounds.
Sige, pag-time out.
So good. Outer basket para sa TBL. 6-2 ang ating talaan. Number 17. Sidestep, floater, basket para kay number 17. Mabasa yung dalawa ang alamangan ng TBL. Ayan na, what an extra pass, what a drop pass. Basket para kay number 2.
San Juan National.
Time out dito ang San Juan National High School. Shoutout mga tayo dito sa mga idol natin side, oh.
Morning, Coach of San Juan National.
Justin! Oh, Justin, kamusta? Basta kayo dahil. Alright, back to the ball game. 8-4 ang ating talaan. 4-point lead para sa San Juan City TVL. Oh no! Rebound! There's a foul. Time remaining 5 minutes and 43 seconds.
Foul number 7, first personal foul. 30 foul.
Knocks it down 3. Yes, para sa 3 for San Juan City TVL. Ayan na. Using the glass and gets the foul.
Foul number 17, first personal foul. 30 foul.
Champion yan, champion. Champion. No good. Official score is 11-4 in favor pa rin sa San Juan City TVL. Number 70, wala. Rebound ng mga nakitim. Ayan na, crossover na, bitawan. Steal ng mga naka-white shirt. Number 17, another steal. Number 7, uy, gets the foul.
Substitution, foul number 17, second personal foul. Court, team foul.
Kaya shooting the line, na jersey number. Wala pa.
Substitution.
Kaya sa corner. Ayan na. Number 7 for 3. No. Rebound. Out of bounds.
Same ball.
Top of the key for 3. No. Elbow, no good. Rebound ng San Juan. Ayan na ang national number 17 and gets the foul.
Foul number 16, second personal foul, penalty, substitution.
That's penalty. Shooting the line, jersey number 17, Tolentino for San Juan National High School. First shot is good for Tolentino. Wala. Rebound. Numbers 1 and gets a foul.
Moving foul number 2. First personal foul, penalty.
Floralde on the free throw area. Second shot for Floralde. No good. Rebound ng mga naka-black shirt. Ayun na, si number 27. Oh! There's a foul.
Foul number 7. Second personal foul. Penalty. Substitution.
Number 27, shooting for 2. Basket. Oh. Iba ng mga naka-white shirt. Moralde, spin move, kick out. 4-3. No good. Iba pa yung number 2, out and pass. Ooh.
Oo. Laro lang.
Okay, tingnan natin kung anong huddle ng ating official. Mukhang may kontak doon.
Warning number 38 of PBL, 17 of San Juan National, unsportsmanlike behavior.
Unsportsmanlike behavior. Mono shot for Tolentino. Basket. Hey, go outside. Go outside. Tatawa kayo. Basket is good.
2 points.
14-6-7.
Traveling.
That's a travel. Number 2, binigay sa corner. Number 17, no good. Oh, we missed that. There's a foul. Both teams under penalty situation. Shoot on the line of jersey number 3. Santiago. First shot for Santiago, wala. Wala. Number 17, no. Offensive rebound para sa TVL. Ayun na, up and under, no good. And there's a foul.
Substitution.
Nasa sa elbow 3, no good. Rebound ng TVL. Hand off to number 24. Binasa, kick out. 4-3. No, rebound ng mga naka-white shirt. Number 17. Umatake, wala. And there's a foul.
Foul number 6. First personal foul. Penalty.
Time remaining 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Penalty tayo. Both teams under penalty situation. Shooting the line, jersey number 38, Bernal. No good. Second shot for Bernal. Basket.
Substitution.
15-7. Nakatakas. Oh, steal. Ayun na, number 24. What an extra pass. Fake. Fade away shot. And one. Para kay Bernal.
Foul number 25. First personal foul.
Bernal.
Bonus shot.
For bonus shot. For 3-point play. Hoy.
White ball.
White ball. What a pass. Using the board. Basket para
2 points.
San Juan National. Ayan na, another steal. Number 28. No. Ooh.
Pushing foul number 21. First personal foul. Penalty.
That's a penalty. Shooting the line. Villaflor. Number 2 for San Juan National High School. No good. Time remaining 1 minute and 31 seconds. Villaflor. Wala. Rebound. Out of bounds.
Tama. TVL.
Time out. TBL. 17-9 in favor pa rin sa TBL. Yan natin ang huddle ng TBL dito. With the time remaining 1 minute and 30 seconds. Back to the ball game. Oy, Villaflor! Sayang, libre na yun. What a cut there para kay Villaflor.
Pushing foul number 38.
Pero hindi siya binigyan ng easy basket doon ng TBL.
Substitution. Basket count. Foul number 13. Bonus shot.
Basket count and 1 para kay number 3, that's Santiago.
Holding foul number 6. Second personal
That's
foul.
a holding foul. 8, patingin mo na ako nakalay po ulit. Yung ano lang Yes, nakapalis na.
Ikaw nga. Ginawa ka yung pangalan mo na
Second shot for number 14, basket. 1 minute and 19 seconds para sa ating first quarter. Outlet pass. Number 28, top of the key for 3. No! Rebound ng mga laki team. Para extra pass. Jump shot is good.
2 points. Number 38.
2011 para kay Bernal. From the corner 3, no! Rebound na naman ng mga team. Ayan na, up another.
2 points.
By jersey number 14. Oy, nabitawan. Walang tawag, ating referee doon. Remaining time, last 33 seconds. Morante, may tangan ng bola. Morante. Pinasa gitna, bounce pass from the corner. Umatake at pasok yan. Para sa TVL. By jersey number 24. Ayan na. What a alley-oop para kay number 30 naman.
Number 13.
Para jersey number 30. Ayan na.
And with the first quarter, official score 24-30, favor of TVL.
Alright, end of the first quarter, official score 24-13 in favor pa rin sa San Juan City TVL. Tingnan natin muna ang huddle ng San Juan National High School. Alright, tayo daw na sa ating second quarter. Maya-maya lamang po sa ating pagbabalik. Okay, back to the ball game. With the official score, 24-13. Step back 3, block. Out of bounds.
Shot clock 12.
Shot clock 12, bounce pass. Oopsie.
Shot clock 10.
Shot clock 10. Oy, wala. Rebound. Ayan na, si number 7. Loralde. Kick out for 3. No good. Rebound. Wow, steal. And stepping on the line. Bola mapupunta. San Juan National.
Shot clock 14.
Oh, steal. Oopsie.
Substitution.
Remaining time, 9 minutes and 20 seconds po. Official time. Oy. Number 17. 4-3. No rule. Out of bounds.
Black ball.
Wala rito. Nagkakainito na. Ng TVL. Number 14. Binigay sa corner. Ayan na. Up and under. No. Eh, sa mga kakatuning lamang po, ang history po this season ng dalawang to ay parehas may talo.
Loose ball foul on number 14.
Kumbaga tabla sila this season. At ngayon sa ating last showdown, sino kaya ang tatanghaling kampiyon ngayong taon? Ayan na, number 7 gets the foul again.
Blocking foul number 27. Second personal foul. Second new foul.
8 minutes and 36 seconds. Shooting the line, jersey number 7, Floralde. No good. Second shot for Floralde. Uy. Wala. Rebound ng TVL. Ayan na, outlet pass. Number 24, alley-oop po, Elmo. Elmo, maalig. Nasa corner, number 70, pass to number 17. Ooh. Gets a foul, number 14.
Blocking foul on number 14. Number 14, second personal foul. Third team foul.
That is third team foul for TVL. Number 7, 4-3. No good. Oopsie.
Foul number 13. Second personal foul number 13.
Number 70. Hoy, nabitawan. Number 70, bounce pass. Number 8, kick out. Floralde 4-3. No. Rebound by Malig. Here comes Elmo. Ayan na si Elmo. Trap pass. Oh, what a alley-oop.
San Juan National.
Time out naman dito ang San Juan National High School. Mukhang dominante ng San Juan TVL ang laban sa first half. Tingnan natin ang huddle ng San Juan National High School. Time remaining 7 minutes and 39 seconds.
Back to the ball game.
Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Let's go, number 7. Wow, wow, wow. Floralde. 28-15. Oopsie. And that's a 7 on the line. for jersey number 24, bola rito ng San Juan National. Number 17, pass to Floralde. Binigay sa corner. 4-3, no. Rebound. Floralde with a spin, using the glass. Basket is good. 28-17 ang ating talaan. Number 17, another steal. Ayan na, Floralde, no. Uy. Ball possession. Mapupunta San Juan National High School. Ayan na, floater basket. Outlet pass. Ayan na, one-on-one, no. Good defense para kay Floralde.
Jersey number 30.
In the time remaining, 6 minutes and 34 seconds. Penalty.
Third personal foul. Penalty.
San Juan City TVL under penalty situation. On the free throw area, jersey number 7, Floralde. Basket for Floralde. Ayun na, humahabol na ang San Juan National with a single digit 8-point lead for San Juan City TVL. Second shot for Floralde. Baba sa pito ang inahabol ng San Juan National. Number 27 setting on the screen. Pass to Elmo. Elmo to number 27, Reyes. Top of the key for 3. No. Rebound. Oy. Basket para Isibal. 30-21. Balik sa siyam ang inahabol ng San Juan National. Ayan na, number 17. Nabitawan. Out of bound. Official timeout po tayo. For jersey number 14. Substitution. Uy. Ayan na, binigay. Floralde and 1. Basket count and 1 for Floralde. Dito Sibal. Time remaining 5 minutes and 51 seconds. 23-50.
Second personal foul, jersey number 2, Siva.
Floralde for a bonus shot for a 3-point lay. Basket is good. Baba na lamang sa 6 ang inahabol ng San Juan National High School. Ayan na, high pick up using the board. No, rebound ng mga naka-white shirt. Here comes Santiago. Santiago, binigay sa corner, number 70. Kick out. 4-3, no. Rebound ng mga naka-white shirt, black shirt. Ayan na, outlet pass, para extra pass. Whoa!
2 points by Ibarra.
Basket dito para sa TVL at 32-24. Number 17, pass to number 70. Pull up jumper, no. Rebound ng TVL. Ayan na, 2 against 2. 2 against 3 and gets the foul.
All jersey number 70, second personal foul.
Shooting the line, jersey number 16, Elmo Malig. Basket for Elmo.
Five star.
Second shot for Elmo. Basket is good. 34-24. Balik sa 10 ang labang ng TVL. Number 70, Garce. Oh, it's a travel by jersey number 70. Garce.
Substitution.
Number 3. Oh no! Ayan na, si Floralde. Floralde! Basket! Pass to Elmo. Pinas sa corner. 4-3. Yes, sir! 37-26. Number 7, steal, gets a foul. Kick out. Ayan na, no good. Rebound dito naman ang black shirt. Number 27, kick out. Ayan na. Oy! Basket. Para kay Santiago. Sa foul. Oh, correction. Out of bounds. White ball.
Sampung ano ko.
Nice corner. Number 30. Uy! Sayang. Munti ka na yun. Ayan na si Elmo. That's a traveling violation. Wala rito naman naka-white shirt. Number 17, Tolentino. Tinaas sa corner, 4-3, no. Rebound ng mga nakiteam. Ayan na, Elmo Malig. Uy. That's the foul.
All jersey number 7, Ronaldo.
Number 7, Doralde.
Second team foul.
Shooting the line, jersey number 16, Elmo Malig. Isa pa.
Tusha Tatusha.
Malig. No. Wala. Remaining time, 1 1 minute and 58 seconds. Oy, spin move, no. Out of bounds.
Single.
1 minute and 31 seconds.
Shot clock 16.
Steal. Out of bounds. Nasa corner, 4-3 short. Rebound ng San Juan National. Here comes Garce. No. Sorry, that's Tolentino rather. Sa corner, 4-3. No good. Ayan na. Elmo Malig with the layup. $39-28. Uy, nice pick, nice shot. Basket para sa San Juan National. Ayun na ang pressure defense ng San Juan National. And out of bounds. Last 28 seconds. Number 2. Side step. No. Rebound ng mga naka-white shirt. Ayun na, outlet pass. Steal by the black team. Here comes Malig. Pass number 2. Number 2. Bam! Alright, that's the end of our first half. Precious score of 41-30 in favor of
41-30.
the San Juan City TVL. At magbabalik tayo for our third quarter. Ayan, magkakatuman tayo for the meantime. Magbabalik para sa second half. Lamang pa rin po ang San Juan City TVL.